How come you're so smart?
Kid, I've been around a really long time. As a matter of fact, our kind has been around longer than just about anything. I've seen just about everything.
Really? Like what?
Well, I've seen weather. All kinds of weather.
And lots of critters?
Yeah? At first there were just some bugs and spiders, then some mice and rats, and some rabbits and bears, and skunks. Then, all of a sudden, there were humans. And all hell broke loose.
Why? What did the humans do?
Well, they changed wolves into dogs, rivers into lakes, and us into wood. They started using the planet like it was put there just for them. Act like they've got an extra one laying around.
Why do they do that? Why don't they understand?
I don't know. If they don't figure out that they're part of nature rather than just using nature, they probably won't be around to see you grow up.